Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to block someone on Facebook dating. Maybe you want to block someone on Facebook dating because you don't want to see that profile anymore. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can block someone on Facebook dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in your Facebook account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then in here, simply tap on this heart button icon to go to your Facebook dating. And then in here, to block a person, simply tap on that profile of that person that you want to block. And then in here, you will see three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, block tune in dating. Simply tap on this block in dating. And then in here, there will be a prompt that block in dating. They will no longer able to see your dating profile or send you messages in dating. They won't be suggested to you again. And then in here, simply tap on the block button. And then in here, as you can see, that person is already blocked. There you go. If you wanted to know on how I can block a person on Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can block a person on your Facebook dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.